day after day we're hearing there's places closing down, factories shutting down, people losing their jobs, and I suppose now it's starting to pick up that little bit. Christmas trade was definitely up this year. There was a lot more people around the city, a lot more money being spent. People were going the extra bit. They didn't mind spending the extra €5.
Waterford has gone through a lot of changes, a lot of harsh times. So has every city, but Waterford in particular. Waterford is definitely back on the up now. There's a lot more positivity around, but there is a lot more work can be done to create jobs in Waterford, but also to continue to bring more and more tourism. There's still plenty of empty factories out on the Cork Road that we'd love to see more large companies coming in and giving employment to some very skilled people that are in Waterford.
Like contrary to what the government would have us believe, everything is not great in Waterford, and very many people in Waterford have not felt this big upturn that the government speak about. Just recently, terrible statistics were released that over 500 people are homeless in Waterford City. We have 11% of the population, but we don't get 11% of the funding that we deserve in our hospital services and jobs and businesses. We don't have university status, which is appalling, which promises have been made by all parties in the last 3 or 4 governments that we deserve university status. So I think we've been left behind in that sense there.
We've seen very little pickup over the last year or two at all, because families have been devastated, and we're still involved in a range of homework clubs, breakfast clubs, and our numbers haven't dropped at all, and we can still see the suffering that families are going through in Waterford City.